Hi, my name is Dr. Seth Deja from Pediatric Dental Specialist of Lafayette. My role as a pediatric dentist is if a patient needs treatment is to make them feel comfortable so that we can get the treatment completed safely and effectively, as well as being here for parents. If they have any questions about anything that they may have seen in their child's mouth, or if they have any concerns about their growth and development, these are the type of questions that you would want to ask. The biggest difference between a pediatric dentist and a general dentist are the extra 2 to 3 years after dental school that a pediatric dentist completes. During this time, they focus on treatment methods and procedures that typically aren't taught in dental school, as well as teaching you about the care of patients with special healthcare needs, as well as managing things like dental traumas from sporting accidents and managing dental infections. Pediatric dentists will approach care typically different than a general dentist. So some of the ways that that is done is communicating in age-appropriate language, being trained in advanced behavior management, and often taking into account the patient's growth and development to find out which type of techniques or treatment modalities are most appropriate for a certain patient. So these are the type of things that a pediatric dentist will do that is different whenever a patient is seeing a general dentist. The environment of the pediatric dental office is very important because it establishes a level of comfort with the patient from the moment that they walk in. Very often we will have a familiar movie playing, as well as iPads and books for them to read or play with before their appointment. During the appointment, they're given headphones so that they can watch their favorite movie, and also a weighted blanket if they're feeling anxious. Parents are also welcome into the back so that during the appointment, they know that they're in a safe space with their family members. The patients that benefit the most from coming to the pediatric dentist are obviously young patients, whether or not they have anxiety or have had previous negative experiences at the dentist. It's an important time in these patients' life where it's good to have someone who's trained in growth and development taking a look and seeing what might be needed and what's necessary. Other patients that can really benefit from seeing a pediatric dentist are those with special health care needs. Pediatric dentists are trained to make sure that dental treatment, whether it's routine cleanings or any type of treatment that's needed, can be done in a very safe and effective manner for them. Some of the most common things that we hear whenever a patient switches from a general dentist to our office is that how patient and friendly the staff and the doctor are, myself. So what we hear from them is that, we address concerns that may not be brought up in previous appointments, as well as have treatment options that they didn't know that were available, whether it's really conservative treatment options and restorative options, or different sedation options for their child.